White noise machines in 2025 are smarter, more customizable, and designed for ultimate relaxation. Whether you need soothing sleep sounds, mood lighting, or smart features, these top picks will help you drift into peaceful rest. The Hatch Restore 3 is more than just a white noise machine, it's a complete sleep system. Featuring screen-free sleep routines, a smart light with sunrise simulation, and customizable white noise, it helps regulate your sleep cycle naturally. Its app-based controls allow you to personalize your bedtime experience, making it perfect for deep relaxation. Want a smarter way to sleep? Upgrade with Hatch Restore 3. Compact yet powerful, the Dreamegg white noise machine offers 21 soothing sounds, including white noise, nature sounds, and lullabies. Its noise-canceling technology makes it ideal for babies, adults, and office environments, ensuring distraction-free sleep and focus. With a long-lasting battery, it's perfect for travel. Need a portable sleep solution? Grab the Dreamegg and sleep soundly anywhere. Designed for babies and adults alike, the Kipcush sound machine features 30 soothing sounds, a 7-color nightlight, and mood lighting to create a calming sleep environment. With touch controls, a timer, and memory function, it's easy to customize for your perfect bedtime routine. Looking for a sleep machine with extra ambiance? Kipcush has you covered. The SNOOZ Pro is a premium white noise machine with a real fan inside, delivering non-looping, natural white noise for deep sleep and relaxation. Its adjustable tone and volume let you fine-tune your experience, while the app-based remote control and sleep timer add convenience. Want authentic fan-generated white noise? SNOOZ Pro is the way to go. The BGOVERSS sound machine offers 14 soothing sounds and 10 levels of nightlight brightness, making it perfect for nurseries, kids, and adults. With 5 timers and a memory feature, it ensures consistent sleep support, night after night. Need a simple yet effective sleep aid? BGOVERSS is a great choice. For smart sleep routines, go for the Hatch Restore 3. If you need portable relaxation, the Dreamegg is ideal. For nursery-friendly ambiance, the Kipcush is a great pick. If you prefer real fan-generated white noise, the SNOOZ Pro is unbeatable. And for customizable nightlight and sound options, the BGOVERSS is a solid choice. Which white noise machine fits your sleep style best? Let me know and check out the description for best deals.